Oh, my bad. Do you like guitars? Doesn't even matter. This is not what this video is about. What the video really is about this. Throw me the package! It's about this package. So this is what it is. I clearly labeled out our addresses because, yeah. But here we are. It's just gonna. So there's two things in here. So if you go, oh, nice. So this is how they package. You've been squished. Now, I love how they package it. They wrap it with a lace that says Skwish on it. And I still have the one from the other one that I have. And so I have a couple of these now. So I like it. Let's look at the first one. I got a shirt. Cool. So, what I really like about this brand is they're not flashy, they're not too, you know, they're nice, they're plain, you know. Look at that, they got this nice design. It's great quality fabric, you know. It's very soft, it feels very comfortable. I'm gonna have to throw it on later for you guys, so you guys can see me model it. But yeah, look at the tag, the own tag, very cool. Would recommend. And they may have sent this to me, but I reached out to them because I really do enjoy their things. So I'm not just talking, you know, like, hey, sponsor me. No, I really mean like this. If they wouldn't have done this, I probably still would have bought something from them because I just love it. So this is the shirt. I'll put that on for you guys later. Moving on to the next item is going to be a hoodie. And some of you may have seen me around the school. I have a black one just like this, very comfortable. See, what this one is, this one's a gray version. And I just love the drawstrings on here. They're just so, like, very thin, you know. They're not too bulky, so they don't get stuck, you know, like some other ones that are too big. Like my orange sweater I wear, no go. This one, yes. You know, nothing too crazy, just simple hoodie. But on the sidearm, you got your Skwish logo, the words. Very nice, authentic, you know, out of the ordinary. And then on the hoodie top, we got the logo. And this fabric I love because it's very soft, very comfortable. So a lot of times you're gonna see me wearing this because it's very comfortable and it's very affordable. It's not overpriced like these jackets out here, like your Gucci one, which is like 600 bucks. Your Supreme one, which is like 1,000 bucks, you know, depending on which one it is, when it drops, and all that other fancy stuff. So when they do package it, they really do package it with care, because like as you can see, it's very folded nicely. The hoodie sticks out, and then so yeah. So this is I'm gonna put this on for you guys. So this is what it looks like on. It's very comfortable. I can't even explain how comfortable it is. Like, I'm not even trying to boost them or anything. It's very, you know, it's not too baggy like how a lot of jackets are. When you put them on, they have like that, you know, overlay. This one's not like that because it's a thin fabric, but also keeps you warm. If you look inside of the pocket, it's kind of the same fabric as how it is in the inside, and it's very comfortable, like the real deal. So now that we tried this one on, we're gonna try on the shirt. Now, let me just do some real fast. This shirt, very breathing, if that makes sense. Like, it's very soft, it's nice. It has a little pocket. Put my pins in here. Put some crackers in there. I don't know. But no, it's very soft, very nice. On this arm sleeve, it also has a squish. So yeah. So yeah, very comfortable to lay in, you know. I like it. So that's been today's video. Shout out to Skwish and these dope laces that I'm probably gonna throw on something. No, I really do like these laces though. Like, watch, let me untie them for you real fast. Shout out to Skwish, you've been squished. So yeah, go check it out. The website's right here, so go check that out. So yeah, it's gonna be poppin' like Mary Poppin'. I guess, I don't know. Mary Poppins poppin'. And Mary Poppins still a thing?
I think so. Who knows?
Leave a thumbs up. Hit that bell notification if you haven't. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe.
Oh.
Got a blast! One other thing I forgot to mention was if you use this code right here, look at it, Mario15, you will get 15% off your order. So make sure to squish and carry on, my people. Make sure to squish that like button.